Section 1. Flow Machine Calibration. First, click on Settings in the main screen. Select the Spray Spreading settings. Click on Weight Calibration. Click on Start Calibration in the Calibration pop-up box. Lift the tank as soon as the calibration prompt appears. Note that the tank is empty. When the calibration is complete, it will show that the calibration has been completed. Lower the box at this point. Wait until all red voltages turn green. Calibration is complete. Next, start the float calibration. First, add 15 liters or more of water to the tank. Click on the Settings icon in the Remote Control Operating screen. Click on the Settings screen to enter the Spraying Settings screen. Scroll down the submenu. Click on Calibrate in the Flow Rate Calibration field. Click on Start Calibration in the pop-up window. Wait for the calibration result. Click on Yes after successful calibration. This completes the spray calibration. Section 2. IMU Calibration. Click on the Settings icon in the main interface to enter the Settings interface. Click on the aircraft icon. Scroll down the menu to the last column Advanced Settings, and click to enter. Click on IMU and Compass Calibration. Click on IMU Calibration. In the pop-up window, click on Start Calibration. Keep the aircraft horizontal and stationary at this point. Wait until the progress bar in the pop-up window is full to complete the calibration. Section 3. Compass Calibration. Click on the Settings icon in the main screen to enter the Settings screen. Click on the aircraft icon. Scroll down the menu to the last column Advanced Settings, and click to enter. Click on IMU and Compass Calibration. Click on Compass Calibration. Click on Start Calibration in the pop-up window. First, perform a horizontal rotation. When the pop-up shows that the horizontal calibration is complete, rotate the aircraft with the nose down vertically. After the vertical calibration is complete, restart the aircraft. Keep the aircraft horizontal and stationary at this point.